All right, Packard friends. Our oil's here. All 7 quarts of...
You told me that was a Dodge Brothers sedan.
No, you ding-dong.
Did you say that's a 1940?
I'm
just kidding.
this month. All right, and in this door box, 10 of our studs have arrived.
Yay!
Out of the, like...
Well, at least there's 12 studs here.
No, only 11. Scotty'd have to be here for 12.
So then you're not a stud?
No. This is a stud.
I know. I need a haircut and a beard trim.
I need a haircut and a beard trim, too. Anyway, studs are here. A skosh shorter here on the deck side. Longer thread up top, but be it as it may, does not really matter. Because that's going to be just right.
Just peachy.
It's the right length and everything. Good to go. And then we will show you in a little bit, because Burnsy's going to go finish cleaning the deck real fast. Here later, in a little while. Get it all cleaned. We can actually put 9 of these in. We'll do the left side, driver's side.
Okay.
Because those holes are all done for sure. So we get that done, and we can put those in with liquid Teflon, crank them down, and have them ready. Mr. Burns.
Holding your nuts.
No, you're holding the Packard's nuts. So the packaging nuts came. Obviously, I have to buy them in bulk. Those are for the head. I needed 29. I think they come in a package of 50 or 30 or something. 50. Anyway, so. And then the washers, they came in packs of 10, so we unpacked those. We have 30. We need 29. Look at that. It's got the... Oh, my God. Look at that beautiful thing.
I'm beautiful.
Look at that. Chamfered. God, those are fantastic. Not screwing around.
No.
Now we just wait for the rest of our studs, really.